Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of PrintVis and related products. In this video, let's take a look at estimating packaging in PrintVis. So from my Roll Center, let's open a new case. And we can start by loading our customer. Today we'll run this for London Boxworks. And I can select my order type. This is for boxes and cartons. And a product group. We'll do this as a foldable box. And we'll just give this job a name. We'll call it Denta Toothpaste Box. Now, in the packaging, of course, we often have a lot of repeat orders. So I'm going to show that today where we've already got it set up. This is a reorder scenario. And we're going to leverage some templates, which makes this fast and easy. So as I set up my vase line, I can search for that template. We file this under our finished goods. So I'm going to do a search on my items table. And there's my Denta toothpaste box. I'm going to select that. We'll say OK. And what that's done is it's loaded a template that exists on the card and provided me with all the specifications and my entire process. Now today, customers indicated that they would like to have this on 75,000 quantity. And we also need some 100,000, but we'll come back and finish that. So I'm just going to show you, it's already been done, but you can see from my component element called the job card in PrintVis, that it's pulled some data and what type we're running this on an SBS board. And I got my paper selected. We're going to run it on 2538. I can actually see the specifications about my job. If I open the specification card, I can see we're running this on a 25 by 38 sheet. And I can see down here that I require 8,334 for my end quantity with some scrap in processing. 308 sheets for a total of 8,642. And of course, I can see my die image layout here brought in from my imposition card on this particular die, which is 9 up of the boxes. So from here, I can just look at the overview of my estimating. I've got my pre-press set up on my ESCO system. Now, of course, it's nice that if I want to, I can connect those two devices with JDF. PrintVis is completely JDF compliant. And I have my calculation for my plates. I have 4 plates. But I'm just going to set up my sheeter because we're going to run this from a sheeted roll. So I can sheet by the width or I can sheet by the length. This is my setup here. But first of all, let's find out what we have in inventory. So we're going to go in and we're going to search for our SBS board. And I can see I have a couple of rolls of inventory, but here I can see I have no inventory of my 25 inch, so let's go with the 38 inch today. And we'll set that up. And because of that, I need to switch this over and we're going to sheet by my length of 25 inches. So we need 18,004.17 feet, which turns out to be 3,781 pounds. So I have the ability to work with both feet and pounds of the same material. So there's the rest of my quote. And from here, I can go back. My press was already calculated and all my finishing. And so now I just need to add another version. And from here, I can add my 100,000. And you can see my price takes a minute, recalculates through all those processes, and there's my finished price. So now I'm ready to send off the quote to the customer. Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here or click here for more great videos. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye for now.